to my channel. In this video, we will be looking at the problem of finding the largest among three numbers that is entered by the user. So let's get started. So before diving into the code, I would like to give you a logic how we will approach and what will be our approach to solve this problem. So initially we will be given three variables, that is A, B and C. And the numbers, suppose let us take an example, that is the first number entered by the user is 10, second is 20, and third is 30. So what we will, the approach is that we will be considering an extra variable, that is temp, and we will check whether if A is greater than B. If it is true, the value of A will be dumped to temp or the value of B will be transferred to temp. In this condition, the value of B is greater than A, right? So temp will become 20. That is, temp is equal to B. And now we will be checking C with temp. And if value of C is greater than temp, then C is the largest among three or temp is the largest among three. So in this example, we are clearly got the result that C is greater than temp. So the output will be 30. So let's code it, and then we will be solving the same problem on an online platform. Let's first code it in our local IDE, that is VS Code. So in this condition, we will be considering an extra variable, that is temp. If A is greater than B, then the value of A will be transferred to temp, or else the value of B will be transferred to temp. Now in temp there is either A or B. Only one of them is in the temp. Now we can check directly if temp greater than C, then clearly temp is the largest among all the three numbers. So let's run our program. As in the example, we have given three inputs, that is 10, 20 and 30. 10, 20, 30. The output should be 30. So yeah, it's working fine. Let us check what another input. This time we will giving 10, 30 and 20. Yes, it's working fine. Let us give a try with a negative number. Yes, it's working totally fine. So yeah, this is the approach that we discussed. And one more way of solving, see, here we have used two if conditions, that is one if else and another if else. A shorter way to do is using ternary operator. So what do we mean by ternary operator? It simply means the alternative of if condition. Suppose if we have given condition, that is if A greater than B, then print A, else print B, right? Here in ternary operator, we will be giving a condition, that is, if this condition results into true, then this will be executed. If this condition results into false, if this condition is false, then this will be executed, right? Again, I am saying this is the condition. If the condition is true, if the condition is true, then this expression 1 will be evaluated, or else expression 2 will be evaluated. So how can we do it? We will be considering a variable where we will be storing the expression. So here also we have done the same thing. This is a ternary operator. This is actually a ternary operator, that is the temp greater than C. This is the condition, temp greater than C. This is the condition. If it's true, then temp will be evaluated, or else C will be evaluated. So this one result is stored into another variable, that is ANS. So let us run our program. So the output should be 7, so it's working fine. So let us solve this problem on an online platform, that is Geeks for Geeks. So here the problem statement states that given three numbers a, b and c, find the greatest among three numbers a equal to 10, b equal to 3, c equal to 2. So the output is 10. 10 as 10 is the greatest among three numbers. So here also a equal to -4, b equal to -3, c equal to -2. So the output explanation is -2 is the greatest among the three numbers. So your task, you don't need to print anything or something execute. Your task is to complete the function that is greatest of three, which takes the three numbers a, b and c as input parameters and returns the greatest among them. So here we will be applying the same logic. See, in programming, logic is important. If you got the logic, implementation is not a big task, right? So we will be taking an extra variable. So let us compile. So it's compiling. So it's running fine. Let us submit the solution. So the cases are being tested. So yeah, the problem has been solved successfully. So in this way, we have to approach to a problem. First of all, step one, we have to make a logic by using pen and paper. Whenever you will solve a problem, first solve the problem on pen and paper. First dry run the code or dry run your logic, make the pseudocode of it, and then code it. Don't just start coding it after reading the problem statement, right? First try to visualize the problem, because if you can visualize the problem, then it will be very easy for you to implement the code. And implementation is not a big task, right? So only the main thing is we have to get the logic out of it and then implement it. So if you really like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and please share it with your friends. Thank you.